Introducing the all-new Corolla.
Samples are now being collected from dozens of employees at a chicken farm in Palau after more than 170 birds suddenly died in the span of a few days. The chickens exhibited flu-like symptoms, local officials in Palau reported to Island Times, before they plopped dead to the ground. Department of Public Health's Communicable Disease Control Administrator, Josie O'Malley.
I received Monday afternoon a call, from Dr. Tai Chen, who is a medical officer at the Honolulu Quarantine Station. Just reaching out to us, informing me that there was an investigation of chickens that were found, on a farm to have died, and that there were workers also that may be presenting with influenza-like illness. There were 3 workers that presented with influenza-like illness. At this point in time, there is no indication or evidence that it's linked, to the chicken deaths, that have been reported.
Guam's role, she adds, was to provide collection kits because Palau was short.
They were short of collection kits, and viral transport media, and he was reaching out to us to see whether or not Guam had any available kits. And I said, if we do, we would absolutely, make it available. So we were able to send collection kits as well as viral transport media on the evening flight to Palau. It was coordinated by our lab, with a CDC public health associate.
The 170 chickens were in a farm that housed about 5,000 chickens. It's still unclear what caused them to be sick, but Bureau of Agriculture Director Fred Sengabao told Island Times that they did suspect some form of avian flu. 33 dead chickens were tested, he said, and out of that, 30 tested negative for bird flu, and the remaining 3 were inconclusive.
What would be of concern is if there were transmission, human-to-human transmission, because there are, cases that have been confirmed in regards to persons getting ill after direct contact, with an infected bird. And what we do on when it becomes human-to-human, transmission, that would be monitored. If it's sustained, again, that would, be the time, for different strategies and activities, in regards to trying to stem the spread.
Janella Carrera, PNC News.